Alright, the green light is there. We can start with round number 1. Yes, yes. Can you feel the love out here tonight? The experience gets nearer and nearer. Alright, round number 1 can begin. There is one important thing for you to remember. Keep your head back at all times. Head back. Wonderful. We can start. Bye-bye. Round number 1 is done and she gives me the thumbs up. That's a wonderful sign. Let's move on to round number 2 now. The first one is only the beginning. The tip of the iceberg, so to say. Now we get to round number 2. And the first one was only a warm-up round. Now we make it faster, ladies and gentlemen. Head back and enjoy. Everything good? Wonderful. Now comes round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Since the second round went perfectly, now show me how courageous you are. Arms out to the front, legs up. Arms out to the front. Just do it, blät. Arms out. Arms out. Yes, arms up. No? Okay, bye-bye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're back. And you did not participate in the third round, our special round. You were too scared. But behind you, the other guy did. So you get one more round on top of it. If you want, you can put your arms and legs out now. No? Alright. Then just go like that. Enjoy the awesome view. Now you made it. Thank you very much for having been here with us.